QGN80-200 internal pipe shot blasting machine. Designed for pipes ranging from 80 millimeters to 200 millimeters in diameter. It rapidly strips away internal mill scale and rust, equipped with 3 mobile lifting trolleys. The system auto-adjusts to pipe length for hands-free loading and unloading. Features a 4-nozzle blast pot, paired with a robust abrasive recovery system for continuous cost-effective operation. Multi-stage sealing prevents abrasive leakage, while a dual dust collection system ensures strict environmental compliance. Achieving ESA 2.5 surface preparation standards with unmatched operational stability. Contact us for your customized surface treatment solution.